never try to improve vocabulary artificially. This idea of improving vocabulary artificially by learning, 100, 200 words every day and meaning of the words every day is wrong. That is not the way English, any language is learned. How did you learn Telugu vocabulary? Did your parents give you a dictionary at 5 years old? Did they say? By practice, you learned more and more words when those words came to you. First, you were only in the house, so you could identify nouns in the house. When you went to school, you had new nouns, new words, new friends. You could identify those. Today, you can use the highest Telugu vocabulary. How you can use? Which dictionary, which vocabulary book? Learn vocabulary, Telugu vocabulary in 10 days? No? That is how I want you to learn English. Naturally. By reading, by listening. More you read, more you listen, all your problems of spelling, punctuation, pronunciation. Everybody has problems of pronunciation. Because our mother tongue is the first language we learn. So mother tongue influence is there. Don't worry. You learn English as a new language. Don't learn it as a part of your mother tongue. Mother tongue has so many sounds. English has so many sounds. Keep separate. Then you will get double number of sounds. Did you understand? O is not there in Telugu. O is there in Bengali. But A is there in all languages. We have. That is how we pronounce the first alphabets. So certain common sounds are there, certain uncommon sounds are there. Don't try to learn pronunciation unnaturally. Don't try to learn vocabulary unnaturally. I get thousands of mails. Madam, can you suggest a book to learn English? You have read so many books. If you are 20 years, you must have read minimum 20 books. Minimum 20 English books. After reading 20 books, if you didn't learn, what will you learn? You won't learn by reading books. Never try to read a book and learn. Learn from real life. If you don't have friends, like he said, all friends are speaking Telugu, no problem. Speak to your friends in Telugu. Speak to yourself in English. Many people play chess with themselves. Have you seen? They keep black coin on one side, white coin on one side. They sit here, they make one move, they go there, they make one move. Have you seen? Some people play cards alone. They put some cards here, they put some cards there. Then they play one hand, they go there, they play one more hand. Because they don't have companion. They don't have partner. In English also, if you don't have a partner, you become your friend. Now you converse. You become one person, you become one person. Hello, how are you? Then the other person says, I'm fine, thank you. British way. I'm good, American way. Did you understand? Like that you practice. Slowly improve your vocabulary by using bigger words you know, not new words. I'm not telling you to learn new words. Big words which you know but you don't use. Small words, simple words which you use, no need. Bigger words you come. Slowly you will find your expression is becoming better and better. But it needs a lot of hard work. It is not possible in 1 minute. If I say like this, English can't be learned. If I say, okay, one capsule, morning one capsule, English. After 1 week, English. No such medicine is there in the market. If you become scientist, please discover one medicine. Then I need not take any more classes. After teaching for 40 years, now I don't feel like teaching. I want to do other things. Gampa Nageshwar says, Madam, please teach, please teach. So I promised him that I will take 1 week, 2 hours, total 10 hours. But I said only small group of students. Okay? By small group coming here, big group is waiting outside in different parts of the world. Okay? I get sometimes from African countries, sometimes from different other countries. I don't even know those countries' names. So they are all benefiting by impact. We are all grateful that impact. But I'm not a part of impact. Please understand. I get many mails saying, Madam, we want to join your institute. I want to stop teaching. I forgot all English. After 2017, I forgot English. Now I don't want to speak English. I want to speak Telugu, Hindi, and other languages. But so many people want to learn English. So you be the teachers. If you get 5 students after Friday and teach them this, you will find your English, your confidence is becoming better. Just 5 students. There are millions of people who don't know English. We can do that much service, free service to society, that we are getting benefit. Okay?